Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this customizable gradient text effect on CapCut PC. Go to text and add in your default text. I'm just going to leave it like that, and I'm going to select a font. Actually, I'm just going to type in gradient. Why not? Let's see what font I want to use. Sorry, just like I want to pick a cute font. There we go. So pick some colors now, like this, and I'm just going to copy and paste it. And I'm just going to choose some colors that I like here. Right click, create compound clip separately here. And you're just going to mask your text here. So you're going to go to video and you're going to select mask, and you can use anything you want. I'm just going to select the horizontal one, and I'm just going to start. The colors are not very visible here. I'm just going to start masking it as best as I can by like feathering it out to create like a gradient type of thing. I'm just going to put this yellow one at the top, green one actually, and I'll put that at the very top, and I'm just going to blend it out. The purple really did not show because it kind of blended with the blue one, but as you can see, I've created your gradient text effect. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!